Morning. It's a wet Tuesday morning in Budapest.
So we decided to get even wetter.
Yeah, we're going to get even wetter. We're going to Gellert Baths to relax before we head home. Oh, it's right over there. It's open from 6 o'clock in the morning. Hasten to add, it's not 6 o'clock in the morning at the moment. What have you done?
We've got a cabin.
We've got a cabin.
Red is for the cabin. Access all down.
It's blue. This is very posh. Cabin. Having a cabin. Okay. Where do I do it? Okay. Oh, what's this? Like some Doctor Who? What? Oh, that, yeah, it's like something out of Doctor Who. I haven't got a clue. Oh, there we go. Came down the steps to get changed. As Lane just said, the temperature's gone up. Follow me, Mr. Bond. And you've got portholes where you can see through to the swimming pool. Oh, this is very nice. Well, that's if it was sunny outside. Follow the lane. Crikey, it's gone warm. Where do you go? 14, 15, 16.
What are you thought from the shower? I thought it was Uranus.
Right, is this the point we stopped filming?
Maybe this is what gets us in and out of this one now it's registered.
I hope so. Yeah, I think it is.
We'll just leave all our stuff in here.
Right. See you in a little while. So if you want to rent anything, if you want to rent towels or bathrobes, that's where you go. We've basically got the place to ourselves. You know when you have a dream and you're outside in the pouring rain with no clothes on, well, other than my trunks. Oh, there's a sauna up here. I think that's where Lane's gone. So nice. So imagine on a hot summer's day this place being packed, but today it ain't. How's the hot pool?
It's amazing. It's really good. What else do we want to try there? It's
Yeah.
not drizzling.
Yes. Now tell me, are you supposed to go in there first and then into the sauna, or the other way around? Because that's cold. It takes you through to the sauna. Lovely. I'm going to get into the ice barrel and see how long I'm going to last. Let me show you how to use these lockers, because these are amazing. To use these lockers, which are free, you put your stuff in, like so, push to close, and then press that there, which means you've got locker number 18, and then it's locked. And then when you want to unlock it, this is another good bit. You put your wrist thing there again, and the door opens. That's cool. Watch this. Ta-da! A cabin. Cabin sounds so much posh, for at the end of the day, just a large change room. Well, we hope you really enjoyed our series in Budapest. If you did, and you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.